Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify PartnerStack referral links and tracking codes, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your PartnerStack referral links, begin by logging into your PartnerStack account. Navigate to the referrals section found in the main dashboard. Here, locate the referral link you want to verify. Click on the specific link to open its details page. Take note of the tracking code associated with the link. Copy the referral link provided in the details section. Open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar. Press Enter to load the link. Observe the destination page carefully. Ensure it directs you to the intended product or service page. Check if the tracking code appears in the URL once the page loads. You might find the tracking code at the end of the URL, often following a question mark. If the tracking code is present, this indicates that your link is functional. To conduct a further check, use another browser or incognito mode. Paste the referral link again and ensure it behaves consistently. If there's no tracking code visible, it's essential to revisit your link setup. Exit the destination page and return to your PartnerStack dashboard. Feel free to recreate the link if you encounter any issues. Once you confirm proper functionality, proceed to test it with potential referrals. This ensures that your potential partners can access the offer without issues. After extensive verification, document your referrals and tracking codes for future reference. Regularly monitor these links to ensure they remain active and trackable. This process will help optimize your referral strategy effectively. With all steps completed, you are now ready to share your referral links confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.